To enable restrictions in iOS, go to Settings, General, and then Restrictions, and tap on Enable Restrictions. And then you will have to set up a 4-digit numerical passcode and then re-enter the same code again. And then it will allow you to set restrictions on what one can do on the iPhone once it has been unlocked. So the idea to enable restrictions is not only in case if you have children to prevent them from installing applications or purchasing new applications or deleting important information by mistake, but in this case it's to prevent theft of your Apple ID in case someone steals your phone and also has your passcode to your phone. So the least you can do is to take precautions in case something like that would happen. So in case someone would have your phone and the passcode, that person can take over all your accounts, so you won't be able to do anything about it. But in case you have restrictions enabled, that person who has access to your phone and your passcode won't be able to change your iTunes password or turn off Find My iPhone. So that they cannot do that, it's a good idea to prevent changes to be made to your online accounts. And for that, you go to Restrictions, you scroll down to the section which is called Allow Changes, tap on Accounts, and tap on Don't Allow Changes. Like that, in case someone has physical access to your phone and knows your passcode, they won't be able to reset your iTunes account because they won't be able to change the password by going to iforgot.apple.com to reset the password. So like that, at least you have some protection against theft of your iTunes account. Another restrictions that you should enable is Share My Location. You should also set Don't Allow Changes. Of course, this is after you already enabled Find My iPhone previously. So like that, in case someone got access to your phone and knows your passcode to your phone, they won't be able to go into Find My iPhone settings and turn off the feature. So like that, you still have the option to log into iCloud from a different device and either track the location of your stolen device or completely delete the phone remotely. So like that, the person who has access to your phone cannot do anything about it. Of course, if the person who has physical access to your phone hopefully won't have your passcode to the restrictions settings. So make sure you make a different passcode for your restriction settings than the passcode to your phone. Just remember it so that you will be able to change settings in the future. Also, what you might want to do is set a recovery email for your iCloud account that is not accessible through the device that you want to protect. So you might also want to set a secondary phone number for recovery in case you lose access to one phone number that you used as your recovery number. So in iCloud you can set several recovery numbers as well as several recovery emails. Just remember to also don't store the password to that recovery mail in the Apple keychain on your device, because if a person has the physical access and your passcode, they will be able to view the passwords stored in the keychain also. Subscribe to see more helpful tips like this, or click another video to continue watching.